Have you got a Mercedes by any chance, and do you find that you have to visit the dealer for a number of different things? Well, that's because Mercedes and other manufacturers force you to go to the dealer because of stupid things like this. This is my Mercedes SLK with a 2.3 liter engine. And we've got this sensor over here. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. This is a mass airflow sensor. You see that little screw right there? I need a special screwdriver to get into that, so I can't just take off the sensor with a normal screwdriver. So Mercedes is forcing me to go to the dealer because they've put in special screws that I need a special screwdriver for. It's called a Security Torx. So Mercedes is gonna try to force you to go to the dealer because if you're just the average Joe, you don't have a screwdriver like that at your house. However, I've got a solution for you. I'm gonna put a link to these special bits. They're gonna be on Amazon, and if you click on them, it's gonna cost you the same, but I'm gonna make a little tiny bit of money. So these are called Security Torx. I think that's what they're called, but you can see they're basically a star pattern. You need these to get that special bolt off. There it is. So if you want to save yourself an expensive visit to the dealer, I think this is going to help you out. A lot of other cars have this too, and actually my old Apple laptop had these special security bits too. So if you like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.